Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually the way we do this channel is all about savings, promotion, discount, right? And on and off I do like a review on a product. But in this video I would be talking about Tesla and what they're doing with their pricing and going up, going down, and the prices. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is by Autoblog, and it's stating here that Tesla discounted the flagship model of Model S and Model Y as much as 30,000 and 41,000 relatively to the model with the Model X. As you can see right here, this article stated started the year Model S started with $104,099, right, and the Model X is like 120,000. But as you can see, it's getting the price started dropping 10,000, 5,000, dropping. And recently, as of yesterday, Tesla dropped the Model S to $74,990, and the Model X only $5,000 more, bringing it down to $79,990. And with this price right here for the SUV, making the Model X qualify for the Senate 500 tax credit incentive from the federal, which is an awesome thing. But however, for anybody that bought the Model X by starting of the year, we feel like we've been cheated. I myself, I didn't buy the Model X or X, I bought the Model Y. And in late December of 2022, and within 3 weeks later, it dropped like $13,000, and now the vehicle qualified for the tax credit too. You know, I felt cheated myself too, but however, I really like my Model Y and I love it, but the fact that Tesla keep on dropping prices, it's gonna make buyers hesitant. Are they gonna continue to drop the prices? Not only the prices of they're dropping, they're also dropping the price of the full self-driving. So right now I'm gonna take you guys to the website and we're actually gonna go through it. Okay, so let's go back to here. So let's go down to the Model X, right? We're going to order now. And you can see, the funny thing is, when I was clicking the purchase price. So you see the Model X right here, and the Model X starting at $79,000, and get the Plaid model only $10,000 more. All right, so if money is not an issue, I would go with the Plaid model. But then you're not going to get the $7,500 credit, right? So going down, let's say that we stay with this one, with the basic, with dual motor all-wheel drive, right? We go down. The fact that Tesla is willing to make the vehicle qualify for the federal tax incentive, they include all the colors. You look at, these colors used to be a lot of money. The ultra red color, the new ones that just come out, all these colors, the only one that was free before was white color. But now look at this, you check this out. All of it included, making the price stays under $80,000. Okay, so the rest is the same. All right, so and enhanced autopilot still $6,000. We're going down. We're going to see full self-driving here, and just the day before yesterday it's $15,000, and now it dropped to $12,000. Right. So again, for those people that bought at $15,000, you guys feel like you got ripped out too. But here's the thing, though. To me, I think like the full self-driving, it's overpriced. At this time, I think it is. Unless, give it maybe another 5 years, who knows? It could be more than $15,000. But right now, I think that it should be somewhere in the ballpark of about $3,000 to $4,000. I think that's more doable. And if Elon's or Tesla start doing that, I think they're gonna get more people buying it. And then they're rather selling the quantity than just a few, to get more. And not only that, but I believe that if Tesla to provide like free samples, like Costco's, what they do every time. You go to Costco, you get free samples almost every quarter, Sometimes when I try it, like a sample and I like it, sometimes I feel like I'm obligated to buy it, you know what I mean? So Tesla should do that with the full self-driving. If it's so high price, if it's like a premium product, why not let the customer try it? Try first 1 month, 2 months. If they like it, they can buy it at $3,000. If afterwards, and if after that, if they want to buy it, maybe $4,000 or $5,000. That way, it gives the customers an incentive to either buy it like within the trial period, or they're gonna pay a little bit more later. But either way, you get the customer get to try it. They get to, if they like it, they'll buy it. right? So I don't know what Tesla's doing, but I hope that they're not going to be dropping more and more prices. With the last video I showed you guys already know that with the Project Highland coming out, it's going to be under $30,000, right? And it's nice, and so far with that, it looks really beautiful too. And right now in the U.S. we can't order it yet, but other countries, Australia, China, they are able to order it already, right? So I just hope Tesla, I know that they want to sell mass volume to the customers, to the consumers, right? But I don't know if by them doing this, it might hurt their margins, and I don't know. But hopefully, you know, Tesla will not lower more prices, you know what I mean? Otherwise, we all feel like we're cheated. But again, thank you for, that's pretty much all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up and just subscribe to the channel. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.